Hello to all my beloved follower. Today we make original sponge cake. A lot of our team facing difficulty to make amazing or original sponge cake. In this video together we make fantastic sponge cake with 3 eggs only. Let's start and do together. If this first time to watch my channel Sugar Emperor, please make subscribe. I would be happy if you leave comment about your opinion and ask us if you want to learn any more dessert. In beginning cake ring, we spray 1 paper in the base and we cut 7 cm high paper. As you see, if you don't have oil spray, you can brush with normal oil. Let's start. 3 egg yolk, 3 egg white, 1 gram salt we put in the egg yolk, 30 gram fresh milk, 30 gram oil, normal oil, 90 gram sugar, 90 gram flour, and this vanilla sugar. I prefer if you have vanilla extract. I put little in the egg yolk and in egg white to avoid the smell of eggs. First, this 3 egg yolk, 1 gram salt, little of vanilla sugar. I prefer vanilla extract. You mix it very well and then you will keep aside. Here, hand mixer, we use first like 1-2 minutes without sugar, then we added the 90 gram of sugar in 3 or 4 batch. So to give air to incorporate with egg white to have a big volume, and we mix minimum like 5 minutes or 4 minutes to be stiff meringue, very strong. So after 4 minutes with high speed, you can see very stiff, and this exactly what we need. Then we mix with high speed the 3 egg yolk with salt. All recipe I keep in the description box below. I mix it well, 3 egg yolk with the salt, and then here with the slow speed. I make the video fast, but I use small speed, as you see, not fast, just to emulsify the egg yolk with egg white. And then I strain the flour. It's very important step to strain flour always, or especially if you have cacao. You can see a little bit of dust or stone, you cannot be sure. So as you see, gently I mix the flour with egg yolk and egg white. Be sure there is no flour left, all dissolved in the mixture. Final step, 30 gram of fresh milk, 30 gram of oil, vegetable oil, normal sunflower oil, whatever oil you have, and then we mix it together. So to emulsify all with little bit of sponge, then we return it back to the mixture. And then make sure that you emulsify all together with this easy way, not fast, just mix gently and be sure all ingredients becomes one. I bring my milk forgot to spray the back to stick in the ring. Now little bit oil. And this very important step because the paper, if it's smooth, it's effect of the quality of the cake. So it's 15 centimeter ring. It's not 20, is not 10 inch, is only 15 centimeter ring. So if you wanted to make a double or bigger ring, you double the quantity. Be sure I put toothpicks or skewer just to mix out, take all the air out, and then I shake it 2-3 times. As you see, 15 centimeter. So it's only 3 eggs. There is no baking powder, there is no corn flour, it's only 3 eggs. 170 for 22 minutes. So the oven 170 for 22 minutes, but it's not enough because actually after like 15 minutes I check. As you see, the cake is high, huge, but is not baked enough. So I increase when becomes a 20. Always I check my cakes if I have toothpicks or skewer or this my thermometer you see is wet, so that means is not baked. So I increase 8 minutes more. So this cake 170, it takes exactly 31 minutes in the oven. 170 centigrade for 31 minutes, and now it's fantastic. Yeah, it's clean. When the skewer comes out clean, that means your cake is already 100% baked. Remove from the ring, put in the grill to allow the base to cool down, to avoid have moisture underneath. I remove the paper. As you see, it's a huge cake, fantastic. After 30 minutes, you can see the cake. This after 30 minutes. As you see, very nice cakes. No corn flour, no cakes improver, just 3 eggs. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave your comment. Your opinion is very important to us.